Welcome to the First Steps tutorial for GEGO Tracking Solutions. In this video, we'll provide an overview of our portal, exploring its key features and functionalities. Let's begin by logging in with your assigned username and password at portal.gego.io. You should have received these credentials via email. If you haven't received them, please contact your account manager or our support team for assistance. Once logged in, we'll dive into GEGO Analytics Dashboard, an essential feature of our portal, offering a comprehensive view of your shipment data. From shipment status and origins to destinations, every aspect of your logistics is easily accessible. With the Map View feature, you can visualize your shipments globally, simplifying tracking and management. You can also download your data in a CSV file. Let's explore our view of shipments. On the left, you'll find a detailed list of shipments. You can easily switch between list format and map view. From here, you have the flexibility to filter the list based on the shipment status, origin, in transit, delivered, cancelled, or view all devices collectively. On the map view, you can switch between satellite and default view. Next up is the devices view, showcasing devices associated with your account. You also have the option to see them in a list or map view. You can filter whether in use or available, and organize by device name, device ID, and more. In the Followers section, you can manage the users who receive notifications for each shipment. You have the option to edit, delete, or add a new follower by clicking on Add a New Follower and entering their name and email address. Additionally, there is a search option available to help you quickly find and select any specific follower. To access the Point of Interest section, click on the user icon in the top right corner and select this option from the drop-down menu. In this section, you can define key locations such as warehouses, carrier distribution centers, or any other designated areas that you need to monitor. To set up a point of interest, simply provide a name and the address of the location. You can also set the radius of your point of interest. Whenever a device enters or exits the defined point of interest, an alert will be sent to your followers, ensuring seamless monitoring and a quick response to critical events. You can also access the point of interest from the map view in the Devices section.